Inheriting a property in the D.C., Maryland, and Virginia region brings an immediate emotional toll and an unexpected legal roadblock. The primary bottleneck is the probate court process across the DMV. You cannot legally sell the home until the court grants formal authority, which often forces a wait time of several months. This stagnation means a valuable family asset becomes a frozen liability while ownership remains in limbo. During this wait, the estate's liquid cash is drained by property taxes, utilities, and insurance premiums. At the same time, the physical property suffers from deferred maintenance and years of neglect. To list the house on the traditional market, the estate must first front the capital for extensive repairs just to make it presentable. Between these holding costs and the repair bills, the estate is actively losing money before a sale can even begin. Human conflicts also arise. Siblings often disagree on the property's future, stalling progress for weeks or months. On the administrative side, inherited homes often carry title clouds, such as old mortgages or hidden liens. These unclear ownership records act as a hard stop, blocking any transaction until professionals can clear the title. Because traditional real estate listings are vulnerable to these disputes and title clouds, standard sales often fall through. Executors can bypass the traditional listing process and its associated hurdles by selling directly to a local cash buyer. Brickfront Properties and Construction works with executors to navigate these specific DMV probate scenarios. They purchase probate homes in their current as-is condition, requiring no repairs, no agency fees, and no waiting for bank financing. This method provides a fair cash offer within 24 hours, moving the sale from a timeline of months down to days. Stop the financial drain on the estate. Contact Brickfront Properties and Construction today for your no-obligation cash offer.